In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an Airtable interface in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, making changes to your Airtable setup can significantly enhance your workflow and ultimately your team's productivity. So let's get right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to the Airtable website. This is your hub for creating and managing all your data-driven projects, perfect for building next-gen apps using simple, intuitive tools. Once you're there, you'll want to sign into your account. You'll see the sign in button prominently displayed at the top of the page. Go ahead and click that. After entering your credentials, you will be redirected to your Airtable home. This is the launchpad for all your projects, where you can access your bases and more. Now that you're in your home space, it's time to identify which database, or base as it's called in Airtable, you'd like to edit. Click on Bases. This action will display a list of all the bases you've created or have access to. If you're new to Airtable, think of bases as the foundation of your data-related activities, serving as the primary structure where you organize all your information in a spreadsheet-like format. Following that, locate the specific base you want to work on and click it open. This base could be any one of your project hubs, storing anything from sales leads to project planning timelines. Now within your chosen base, you'll see a section labeled Interfaces. This is a crucial part of Airtable where you can create tailored views and interactive elements that enable better data engagement. By clicking on Interfaces, you can access the tools to customize how your data is displayed and interacted with, something that can make a world of difference in how others perceive and utilize your data. Once you've entered the Interfaces section, you'll see a set of existing interfaces. Here's your next move. Click on the interface you intend to edit. Every interface hosts a unique set of functionalities and aesthetic designs that you, as a user, can tweak according to your preferences. Whether you wish to rearrange fields, add graphs, or design dashboards, this is where you make those changes. In conclusion, editing an Airtable interface can be a seamless task, transforming how your team accesses and interacts with data. Deploy these steps to refine your interface and you'll soon find your Airtable environment more aligned with your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.